All right, so this is literally what I did. I hopped in, I accidentally locked it, but with this door handle, if you just pull up slightly like that, see how it doesn't go all the way down? Just pull up slightly, let go, then you come back over here and lock it. Door handle's not working, man. Oh, now the inside one wanted to work. That was some hoe ass shit. Anyway, I locked it, pull up slightly on it, or all the way, and then let down, unlock it. Handle won't work, inside one won't work. You're like, man, what the fuck? It's unlocked. Why won't it work? Why won't it work? Okay, push this down. Ready? Listen. Bruh.